Why does this bus go here? What building will go there? And why is this parking lot here? Who pays for this street?
That's all decided by planning. There are two main powers that guide planning. First, we have the province. Then, the municipality.
The province issues an act which gives the city permission to make decisions and carry out plans.
Included in this are the Statements of Provincial Interest, which outline the main concerns planning must address. In Nova Scotia, these are drinking water, flood risk areas, agricultural land, infrastructure, housing. These can be changed and altered. Now that the city has power, someone needs to take on the responsibilities. First, we have council.
Councillors are elected by us and have the ability to accept or reject plans. Next is the Planning Advisory Committee.
This committee represents the public and is appointed by council to advise them on acceptance or changes to plans. Finally, there are municipal planners.
These planners are city staff. They are the technical experts and the ones hosting engagements and preparing plans.
There are many types of plans. Plans are how we implement our vision, and these must reflect the statements of interest. Most municipalities have something like a regional plan. This plan explains our overarching goals and objectives. Included in this are
Policies and specific plans for things like
transportation,
public art.
water quality.
The Land Use Bylaw lets planners effectively regulate development and enforces their policies.
We enforce these policies through a future general land use map. It outlines areas for development, preservation, and reserve areas we may look to for development later on. This land use bylaw has rules for structures, which include things like
Building scale,
building type,
distance from the street,
the subdivision bylaw contains rules for the land itself,
this includes property boundaries,
street names and placement,
infrastructure,
parks.
and schools.
There is also a series of smaller geographic plans. These get into the specifics of a particular area. For example, towns, districts, communities.
All of these plans must abide by the regional plan.
The process of approving any municipal plan is essentially the same. First, council initiates the plan.
Then, there's public consultation about what we want to see.
A draft plan is prepared.
Public meetings are held to explain the plan and address concerns.
The Planning Advisory Committee advises council.
Council adopts or rejects the plan.
Now you understand the process, hopefully you can navigate it a little better.
We're PlanFX, and this has been
Planning Basics.